Hey YouTube, how we doing today? Well, we've got a very, very interesting one for you here on the channel. This one, basically, I found out about via a YouTube video and then totally forgot about it until I saw a Facebook ad. So stay tuned after we roll this intro. I'm going to tell you exactly what I'm talking about. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now, for you first-time viewers of the channel and you long-time viewers, man, take a look. I think it's going to be in that corner down there. There's going to be a little channel watermark popping up. Hover over that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. Knock it out the way early. That way you're going to feel great about yourself for the rest of the day. Alright, as you saw by that intro, we are going to take a look at Johnny Slick's Rugged Organic Beard Oil. And that's this guy right here. Alright, nothing huge, over the top, nothing weird. Alright, now you can find them at johnnyslicks.com. Now, here's what I was talking about in the intro. Okay, man, I'm gonna butcher his name because I can't pronounce Greek crap worth two red you-know-whats. But there's a famous YouTuber out there by the name of Nick Komalatsos. He's a former Marine Raider, former, God, he's just all around badass. All right. He also started the Raider Project to help combat Marines and people reintegrate back into society. And yeah, that's the watch you're seeing a lot. There's his logo right there. And if you'd like to see more about this, go ahead and look up top. I'm going to leave a link to this watch. And I believe inside that there's also some other information about the Raider Project. You should really check them out. They do amazing work for jarheads. Okay? So Nick has invested in other businesses. And I saw on his YouTube thing when he got the first shipment of this stuff in, and he was smelling it. He's like, oh my God, this is great. I'm happy I invested in this. Totally forgot about all that. All right, I did. I totally forgot. Until I got one of those magical Facebook ads popping up. And I was like, Johnny Slicks, Organic Beard Oil, whatever. Okay, let me take a look. And I saw Nick was commenting. And that got me going, wait a minute, isn't this the one that you were talking about? And when I went to their page, by the way, they are made in the USA, out of North Carolina. So kudos to these guys keeping everything, basically close to home. When I went to the page and saw, the Meet the Team, there was Johnny Slicks and Nick. So I was like, done, sold. I got to help a brother's business out. I am former Army, but still, Marines are awesome. Love you guys. Got to help support this. So I can happily say that this company is veteran-owned because Nick has a partnership in it, so veteran-owned. They were established in about July 2016, and I think they said they hit it really freaking huge in February 2018, which is about the time I think I saw Nick's video when he was talking about this. They are 100% organic in everything that they use. And there's this huge thing on their website about natural versus organic versus this. And I'm not even going to go on that debate because they did it for me. Go check it out. Okay. There's a closer look at some stuff on the label, like the ingredients, which I'll go over here in just a second. And the other fun stuff. It is a 1 ounce amber bottle. They have them both in 1 ounces and 2 ounces. The 1 ounce bottle is going to run you $12.99, and the 2 ounce bottle is going to run you $24.99. So they are right perfectly in the middle of that ballpark where I feel very comfortable spending money on beard oil. The average going price I think is like 15 bucks, but I've gone from 10 to 20 in buying a 1 ounce bottle of beard oil, depending on the company and everything else. So you guys are perfectly right in the middle. As you can see, it's got the little eyedropper. And it does have a bit of a golden tinge to it. And that's fine. It's just how the carrier oils mix. There's nothing special added in there. Now, speaking of the oils, it's got coconut oil, Brazilian nut oil, sweet almond oil, tea tree oil, argan oil, jojoba oil, and body safe fragrance. They are very huge into everything that goes into their product is safe to put on your body. So I thought that was kind of cool. Now, when they called this rugged, I was like, okay, so what's the scent? They say it's a mix of juniper berry, cedar wood, and Cuban tobacco. It just seriously smells freaking amazing. I can easily smell the berries and the little hint of tobacco. And I know there's cedar in there because it mixes great. It's got a very great scent strength, all right? It's not an overpowering, smash you in the mouth kind of thing, but it's right at that border point where people are walking by and they're like, wow, you know? My little girl Amber smelled it and she was like, that's the one, Daddy. Because I always have them smell the beard oil. You know, I'm like, I want a second opinion on this. So I trust them because they're not going to lie to me. There's been some that they've taken a look at and went, no. And speaking of beard oils, check up top. It's going to be in one of those two little corners, okay? I'm going to leave a card to every single beard care product we've brought to the channel. I can guarantee you with my happiness with this, we're going to take a look at more of his stuff. All right? Now, on their website, I didn't really see the usual crap you'd expect. You know, it's like you expect when a Marine goes into business, all his former buddies are going to be leaving a whole bunch of militaristic stuff. It wasn't there. All right? He's not on Amazon. I checked last night, and that's fine. You know, because he is growing, he is doing stuff, and I like his marketing stuff that he has been doing. He has a ton of positive reviews on Facebook. Not to mention, he's got 59 overwhelmingly positive reviews on JohnnySlicks.com. There's 59 total. 56 are 5-star, 3 or 4-star. There is no 3, 2, or 1-star reviews on it, period. I'm giving it a 5 myself because this thing is just simply amazing. Yeah, I bought because of Nick, and I want to support a brother's business because I'm a vet myself, and I go looking for veteran-owned companies if I'm going to spend my money. That's where I want to shop first because I want to help support the mission. But because of this one, you guys just got a lifetime customer. I mean, seriously. And no, I'm not being paid to say this. Every single product I've brought to my channel, except for those that I've mentioned before, I think there's 4 total. 3 of them were knives that were sent to me that I sent back to someone, and 1 was the Viter Energy Mints. But everything else I've bought myself. So I can say whatever I want, and that's freeing. Trust me, it is. But with all that being said, here's a point where I want to know what you guys think, especially if you've used Johnny Slicks, if you've had any interactions with like Nick Comalatzos. Yeah, I'm not even going to try anymore. Which is going to kill me because I've got his book that he just released that I've got to review here in a moment. And I'm going to butcher your name again, Nick, so God forgive me, okay? But I want to know what you guys think. Questions, comments, love, hatred, everything. Down below like we usually do, all right? That's where the fun happens. Now, for you first-time viewers of the channel, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for watching this video. I know there's lots of options on YouTube, and I'm very flattered you chose one of mine. For you long-time viewers of the channel, and you first-time guys who didn't do it at the beginning of the video, here's your second chance at redemption. Down below, one of the 2 corners, is going to be a bigger channel logo. Go ahead and click on that thing. That's going to bring you right to subscribe. Okay? After you've knocked that out of the park, go ahead and destroy that bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Good question. It's going to notify you every single time that I upload a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, that's right, 2 are going to be popping up either on that side of the screen or that side of the screen. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My unbiased look. Yeah, unbiased. Sorry, I love this crap. Johnny Slicks, rugged, organic beard oil. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day today.